Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in my last video also I was doing a PowerPoint presentation. Here also I'm back with another PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so now we are with the living organisms characteristics and habitat. So in the last video I did the explanation cum activity, but here I'm going to do only my activity because I don't have enough time. And my recorder which I'm using is only for like 15 minutes, so that is why if I explain the full one it will take more than 15 minutes. Okay, so let us move on with the second slide. Okay, so in science I'm going to be doing this activity, as you all know. So the activity was to collect 6 animals and their habitats information. So enjoy the video and also like it. Okay, so my first animal which I took was lion. My first animal would be lion. Why? Not why, okay. So it lives in a den, and for preserving they live in zoos, like for show and all, etc. And lions mainly stick to grasslands, scrub or open woodlands where they can more easily hunt their prey. Means like if they are in grasslands, etc., means you can find many deers, and so many other animals which are lions' prey. Okay. So but they can live in most habitats aside from tropical rainforests and deserts. Okay, so the young one is called a cub and the female is called a lioness, and as you can see, a lion in its habitat or a den. Okay, a yak. So this is a yak. So probably you all know what is the meaning of yak also. It is an animal only. So it mostly lives in hilly regions, means which is above 3,000 to 5,500 meters above the sea level. So how are they adapted? It is because their skin have the fur which can protect them from severe coolness. Okay, and then it mostly lives in mountains and plateaus, and in a simple way they live in high mountains. So a young yak is called a calf. Now my next animal is cows. Now most of you already know what are cows. So cows, okay, so nowadays cows live in pastures and range of open area. Some of the different types of habitats they utilize include savannas, scrub forests, and even desert edges. Means only the edges, not inside the desert, because they're not adapted to that much heat of the desert. Okay, and as they live in the grasslands, they are also able to graze, and they can feed their young ones also, which is their calf. And then a cat. Okay, so sorry that I do not have any pictures. Okay, so a big cat species. Okay, so now here cat means I'm not talking about the general cat, the cat kitten which you generally see, means the street cats, etc. Here we are going to be talking about the elderly cats, for example jaguar, leopard, etc. Mountain lions and etc. Okay, so about it's written over here. Okay, so our next animal we are going to be learning is a penguin. So most of the penguins are found in the icy Antarctica. So there are some penguins that are adapted to live during warmer climates. Okay, so just pause the video for a minute. Okay, So there are some penguins that are adapted to live during warmer climates such as ideal, chin-strapped and Gentoo penguins. I mean not fully. I mean like they can live. So they can live both in warmer and what do you say, cooler. Okay, so they are also adapted for to live there. So you have an ideal penguin, Gentoo penguin, and chin strap, and a normal one. Means which you see generally. Okay. So here, so my last animal is the chicken. Okay, so the last animal. So many chicken live in farm and some of them live in grassland. So in farm it lives in a coop, as you can see over here. It's a coop. Okay, so the female of a chicken is hen, and then one thing, and like most of the animals like lion, which we have read till now, yaks, cows, cat, penguin, and now they are giving giving birth, but then the chicken lays eggs. Okay, so that was the difference which we learned till now. And then the young one is called a chick, and here is a chicken family in its coop. Thank you everyone.